TT Squad, this is Tia. I'm about to make this little dish. I love chicken and rice, but being on this little diet, you know we can't have no rice. But I can have chicken, so I'm gonna grill some chicken, and I got some cauliflower. I'm gonna make this recipe. I used to make when I was little. My sister taught me how to make it. I haven't made it in about, I'd say about 10 years, maybe longer than that. She showed me how to make it when you grilled your chicken on top of the stove. Then you add your chicken broth and let it finish cooking. You're supposed to have your rice in it, but I don't have rice, I have cauliflower. So I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna cook this, then I'm gonna put a little broth in it, then I'm gonna let it cook for like 20 minutes, then I'm gonna add my cauliflower, then I'm gonna add my mushroom soup. Yes, and that's what I'm doing today. I only did 3 because I can't really eat much. Like I told you, I ain't gonna do but take some of this to my cousin. Take 2 of them to my cousin. I'm gonna have 1 for 2 days because I'm not trying to save a lot of food to have for a long period of time because I don't eat it. I'm not gonna eat it. See, let it get a little color to it. And I season it really well. I season it really well. I put some sea salt, pepper, and garlic on here. That's what I did. That's what I put it on. And see, I'm just going to let it cook. I got the oven on 350. I pre-cut the oven on. I don't have no butter to tell me because it's preheated. I had to turn it on 300 and it been there for a minute. And these are nice sized chicken breasts, finished chicken breasts. I'm not going to cook them all the way. I'm going to cook them I'm just going to wind up cooking it. I'm going to cook it just enough so when I put it in, it can cook with everything else and the juices to get into it and all that. Just enough. You know, boneless chicken don't take long to cook. I just want to get a little color to it. I'm going to put it in the oven for like 20 minutes. Then I'm going to take it out because I'm going to have to put the cauliflower and the cream and mushroom soup on it. And it's going to be delicious. It used to be good when I used to make it, when it was rice, and I'm trying to use something different. So, yeah. Don't want it to cook too much. I'm going to cut it off. I don't want it to cook too much. One right there. One right there. You see, I only cooked 3. Let me put the other one to the side like this. Need room in there. Have just enough room. Okay. Then I'm going to add my broth to it. Oh, I'm not going to cover it up. It's just like, just enough for it to simmer down in it. That's all. Just so I didn't get another fork because that was uncooked chicken and I don't want to cross-contaminate anything. Yeah. Then I got to make myself some chicken. I thought I was going to make him some chicken and mashed potatoes. He said, no, Mom, I just want all chicken. Who eat all chicken? So I'm going to put this in the oven and I'm going to come back in about 20 minutes to show y'all when I put the mushrooms in it and the cauliflower. Be right back, TT Squad. Hey, TT Squad, I'm back. I took it out the oven. I dumped a little bit of juice in off of it because I didn't want a lot of juice. But I'm about to put the cauliflower. It's bag cauliflower. I found that Safeway. I think it was on sale for like, I'm going to say $2. I think they was having I guess a sale. So I put the cauliflower in here and I still got the juices at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and spread the cream and mushroom soup on it. It's a lot because these are little cans. It looks like a lot, but it's not really a lot. These are little cans. I'm just going to add this on top, and I'm just going to smooth it out because once I put some more broth soup on top, it's broth. I don't know why I keep saying soup. It's not soup. It's just the broth on it. I'm just going to smooth it out like this. to put a little bit. I didn't use the whole can. I used a can and a half because I don't have much chicken. So I only have 3 pieces of chicken. So yeah, so I'm only gonna use a little bit. Y'all hear that over there? I'm frying my son some chicken and I'm cooking it. I'm like, I might as well cook it while I'm doing all. I'm just gonna sprinkle some over top and it's gonna go down to the side. I can't say how much because I'm just making. I'm just doing it. So y'all, this is what it look like. Can you see it? See. And once it cooks, it's gonna be in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. Something like that too, to get nice and thick and good. I'll be right back, TT Squad. Hey, TT Squad, I'm back. Look, I took it out the oven. I left it in for about 45 minutes because it was still kind of hard. The broccoli was too hard. I mean, the broccoli. Cauliflower was too hard. So, I'm cutting a piece because y'all know I can't eat all that. So I'm just taking out what I can and fixing me a plate that I can enjoy because I love cauliflower. It still want to be a big piece. I don't want a big piece. It's kind of loose, but the whole idea of it is to, I want some broccoli. I mean, I want some, I don't know why I say broccoli. I must want some broccoli. I wanted some rice, and I put some cauliflower over top of it. I think I might have used too much cauliflower, see? I mean, too much mushroom. But all in all, TT, so I look, woo, 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 still hot. These are string beans from the other day. And this is the chicken with cauliflower. I'm going to taste a little bit. Tastes pretty good. And this is what I want. Oh, it tastes good. It really tastes good. So this is my version of chicken rice with mushroom. I guess it's called, I don't know, mushroom soup. Probably mushroom soup, but this is my version. Cream style. This is called cream of mushrooms. Let me get it go. Cream of mushroom with this. Tastes really good. Really good. I'm liking this. I really am. I only cut half because you know I'm not going to be able to eat it all, but I'm going to enjoy it. And my friend. Oh, this is really good. I'm surprised at myself. Like, this is really good. Delicious. Look. Okay, good. Like, share, subscribe, TT Squad. Bye.